It's like yesterday, I didn't even know your name. Now today, you're always on my mind. I never could have predicted that I'd feel this way. You are a beautiful surprise. Intoxicated every time I hear your voice. You've gotten me on a natural high. It's on.
Sila ukuzocelebrate lothando saphikisa lokuthi sinalo uqala ukuhlangana kwethu. Sila uzocelebrate the beginning of our future.
I believe that we are written in the stars. I don't know what the future holds, but I'm living in the moment, and I'm thankful for the man that you are. You are everything I asked for.